All our courses give our students the academic and practical training for the starting point for a career in civil engineering. We have a number of industry standard laboratories. We're actually in the hydraulics lab at the moment. You can see behind me there's a hydraulic flume here, which we use to model movement of water through channels. We also have a structural floor, structural design laboratory, geotechnics laboratory, and a materials lab as well. And of course, with all of this, our students get hands-on laboratory experience in all of these labs throughout the courses that they study.
The courses that we have here at the University of South Wales are being accredited by major institutions, engineering institutions like the Institute of Civil Engineers. We have by the Institute of Structural Engineers. We also have by the Chartered Institute of Highways.
It also allows them to then go on and gain their professional qualifications through the engineering councils, introducing them to things such as Eng Tech, iEng and CEng. It's really important at USW that we stay topical and we're aligned with the requirements from industry to make sure that our students are employable once they graduate from USW. And we work closely with a number of high-profile industrial partners such as Kia, Mott MacDonald, Arup, Natural Resources Wales, to name but a few. We also have a number of partners on board to allow our students to do an industrial placement year, which is really beneficial for them so they can spend a year in industry working as a civil engineer.
The students can go into consulting, the design of various structures as a structural engineer, or maybe drainage and water systems, design of bridges, and also some go into construction itself, where the actual construction of what is being designed is carried out.
USW is the only university that offers the academic base for all levels of professional qualification, whether it's Eng Tech, iEng or CEng. So in order to sort of progress, you need that academic base to start with, and then you can go on to do your professional qualifications. Every year, our final year students are asked to complete the National Student Survey, and last year, USW for Civil Engineering was top in Wales. That's the second year on the trot that we've actually been top in Wales, which is fantastic because that's all based around how our students feel personally about our courses and the interaction that they have with the staff at USW. And we're ranked third in the UK for the NSS as well. One of the things that we really focus on in civil engineering is the individuality of our students. So we like to bring them in at an appropriate level for them and then ensure that they thrive at that level and then watch and allow them to leave with the qualification that is most suited to them. So we're very focused on ensuring that students can progress well and progress to the level we know that they're capable of.